Hi there, my name is Sally. Welcome back to Technic channel. Today, we will be unpacking our new Rowenta Power Cyclonic vacuum cleaner. Stick around until the end to catch our vacuum test and discover what Nick managed to capture in the process. In the box we will find all the included accessories for the vacuum. We should find an instruction manual and the included warranty for the vacuum cleaner. It also includes a comfortable handle with a brush for the vacuum hose. The handle features a sliding mechanism for the brush to be easily used right away. This can be used to get in small corners and spaces or just to clean something fast. Also in the box, you will find a long gray hose for the vacuum. This should attach with the white end to the handle we showed you earlier. Then, the black end of the hose should be connected to the vacuum. We will show you later how to install them. We also have a mini upholstery brush that comes very useful when cleaning car or sofa. We will try to unbox the vacuum, but first, let us show you the telescopic tube it comes with. It can extend to a considerable length. Remember, this has a unique design and may not be compatible with other type of vacuums. Let's put this away and show you the small brush that we forgot. This small brush can be used in hard to reach corners, and when opened it's suitable for cleaning items like a keyboard. It's a bit hard to open for the first time, so you should apply some heavy force. Our last item that comes with the vacuum is the standard floor brush. Looks like we have to take the vacuum first to be able to take this out. Let's first put our vacuum over the box, then I will show you this brush. This is the floor brush, featuring a special button that can be activated with your foot to release the bristles. It also has two wheels on the sides that can be removed. Finally, we are going to remove the vacuum from the plastic bag. This is the blue version of Rowenta Power Cyclonic, a bagless vacuum with a power of 750 watts. This comes in glossy black with blue buttons and blue dust container. At the back, we find a long 8.8 meter retractable cord that can be activated with the push of a button. Be careful when pressing the button to avoid tangling the cord. At the top, we have a button that will allow us to access the removable dust container. The dust container, in turn, has another button in the front that allows access to the filter and dust compartment. Once opened, it's a straightforward process to remove the dust from the container, and if necessary, you can easily wash it after. Above, we also have a dust filter, which can be removed and washed. Note that it should be left to dry before being reinstalled. Over time, you can even replace these, as they are quite affordable and easy to find. Putting it back just requires snapping the rubber into place perfectly. Once done, you can close it back. Inside the vacuum, we can find another large filter. You should not wash this one, just clean it if possible. It is also recommended to replace it once a year. Putting the dust container back is easy, you just need to hold the lock mechanism and snap it back into place. This was the unboxing. Next, we'll move on to installing the hose and preparing it for first use. Installing the hose to the vacuum is an easy task. Just snap the black end into position and rotate it a bit. Installing the handle is also easy, just push it until it snaps and locks in place. Now just insert it into the tube and force it a bit. On the other end, attach the desired brush and we are ready to go for testing.
Hey Sally found some of your hair.
Ew. Let's pretend that was just the cat hair. Putting away the jokes, we must say it's pretty powerful vacuum for $50 we spent this Friday morning. Hope you enjoyed our Rowenta unboxing and testing, and leave us a like or a nice comment.